Hello and welcome. This is Abhishek Alex, double E third year from an engineering college, and today we are giving review on Samsung S3310i. We have seen this set from the upcoming market right now by Samsung GTS 3310i. It comes in two variants. It comes in red as well as blue, and we can see the two ports over here, the charging jack and the memory card slot over here. Just this. And yes, volume rockers button are just on the left side of the handset. These are a speaker for the voice calls, and here comes yes, there's a mic too. The illuminated back cover gives you sturdy and feel very lightweight, and also the grill cover of the speakers give you a nice matte finish with 2 megapixel camera on its back. It features all the majority of the function variants such as Java version 2.0, 2.1, and there's a music player too, which is very interesting. You can see the fluidity between the swipe menus. You just click and just swipe. No more magic left there. Resume and playback function as well, and you can see there is also a camera button which needs to be music player stock, so we are showing just after that. And before this we are having a setting menu. We have sign profile setting, display setting. Let's change the brightness to maximum. Yes, here comes the brightness. You can see the screen vividness through it, but when it comes to normal, you can see it's quite efficient in the daylight too. The backlit time, the menu transition effect. There are many types of menu transition effect. You can see the second one is pop-up. The first one is slide door, pop-up, again slide very effectively, and 3D effect. The 3D effect is quite a majority of things which we got on Android phones and other Java phones. The Java playback function. So we can see a wallpaper menu over here. We can set from the images of the phone memory here, and over which we can use other functions too. Here's an apps. Apps contain FM radio, Google and Play More, and games there. Here comes the majority of games. Pre-installed games are Sudoku, yes, Jump Boy, Kokoro, Pac-Man, Super Yum, Tetris, or World Series of Poker, Taken Mobile, Sonic, Asphalt 4, God of War, and many more there, X-Men 3 including. After that we come to the dictionary part, most interesting part of the menu. You can see after games and more, here comes the dictionary part. The playback of music is quite efficient, you can see. The bass effect is quite efficient, and the dictionary as well. You can see the words over here from here and so on. Let's type here some words to get acknowledged. Let's try no. Okay, here comes the no. The first one is no. I know the camera quality of this phone is not very efficient to show you the best of it. Here comes the verb. I don't know what this function means.